Destruction!
Don't go anywhere, lots of action coming at you. We're gonna back up to 290, we're gonna back them up. The 290 from Orno, sponsored by Trans Power Utility. This is Riley Webb. The number 53 from Aurelia, sponsored by Pattenden Demo Team and Uncle Touchy. This is Kyle Pattenden. The number 911 from Keswick, sponsored by Elliot Cohen, AJ Property Services, saying happy birthday to Hope and Riley. This is Dylan Spears. The number 66 from Omini, sponsored by the Rumble Shop and MCF, that is Tyler T-Bone Nesbitt. The number 87 from Keswick, sponsored by Deschamps Derby Doubles, Riding Dirty Motorsports. This is Johnny Deschamps.
Is anybody's heat, really?
Kyle usually turns it up.
Camera bag.
Can you get it or you want me to get it?
Are you able to reach it?
This heat is sponsored by Sean Umshine.
Thanks.
Most of you guys might know him on TikTok as the What No Way guy. We've got a case of the What No Way tea for the mad dog of this heat. The guy that goes out there and drives like a meathead might go home with some What No Way tea.
Like a meathead.
Here we go, we've got sticks up all the way around. Let's give a countdown from 5, 4, green flag. To the officials.
Chunk of dirt hit me.
We had a drive shaft on the track. It looks like the 911 exiting his truck.
I was just thinking when he pulled out there, I was like, he's losing his shit.
Drive Official sticks up when your area is clear. All right, here we go. Give me countdown. 3, 2, 1. Green flag. Drivers out.
They're typing in me. Look at that one. Memory card ran out right in the middle of that field.
Oh no, did you get it?
I had the fire and then it ran out.
Okay, good.
I had a bit of a wider shot than I should. Some shots I missed on.
Awesome job, impact crew out there.
Just trying to get
Got the
prepared to
driver out, got the fire
walk the
out right
cards
away. 290, fire start. Everything's so hot in there. We got 2 trucks remaining, the 53 and the 66. The 66 is Tyler T-Bone Nesbitt. The 53, Kyle Pattenden. We're just double checking to make sure that fire's out completely. And then we will go green.
Yeah, that's good. It's turning it up.
Yeah. I was like Johnny was getting rolled. And then the guy that came along just smoked him, getting back on his tires.
Fire department coming in, just take a quick little look. Inspecting our crew's work. Making sure everything is good to go. Give it one more shot.
So we're down to 2?
Yep. Big fire like that, you don't get a 2 fire rule.
It should.
Well, he already had a second fire, so.
Oh, he did? Oh, yeah.
Everything came back to life.
Under the count. He's got 60 seconds to get that thing fired to make a hit. And he holds his flag.